In this video, I am about to show you the comparison of Claude AI and ChatGPT. Claude AI is a large language model designed with a strong focus on safety, ethics, and human-centric AI alignment. This provides smooth and easy-to-use interfaces similar to ChatGPT. It offers the free plan at $0 per month, the Pro plan starts at $20 per month, the Team plan at $25 per month, and the Enterprise plan is based on the contact sales. Claude's responses are clear and concise, often showing a high degree of accuracy that requires adherence to specific guidelines or rules. It employs advanced safety filters and alignment methods that prevent it from producing harmful or inappropriate content. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced language model that uses deep learning to generate human-like text. It excels in understanding and generating human language, allowing for fluid and contextually relevant conversations. ChatGPT is capable of generating imaginative and creative content, making it suitable for writers and content creators. It offers a free plan at $0 per month and a plus plan at $20 per month. Its ability to engage in natural conversations and generate a wide range of content makes it a valuable tool across various applications. Claude AI prioritizes safety and ethical responses, making it ideal for sensitive applications, while ChatGPT excels in versatility and creativity, catering to a broader range of conversational needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.